my name is Suzanna. Welcome to Suzanna sHowTo. Today, I'm making fizzy lemonade. I will let my brother try because it's so fun. Now I'll tell you what we need. We need sugar and some paper too. We need it in the middle. And can please have a dog to help you because we need to cut the lemon in half. And 2 balls, 1 spoon, baking soda, and some water. If you just want short, you can use some scissors, but yours, somebody's not short. And now we'll tell you how to make it. You first take this one and take the lemon and squeeze it. That was too big, so my mom or my dad helped me cut it smaller. And now let's squeeze it. And this one's almost done. Let me try again. This one's done. If it's too much water, you can go, after you squeeze it, you can go wash your hands or wipe them. You want to try? Just squeeze it. It's okay. Speak up. Squeeze it. Sometimes it will get a little too messy. And now let's put some sugar in there. I will first wipe my hands. There's some paper over here. And now let's put this in. have this one. 2 scoops. One scoop. And 2 scoops. And mix it very well. I will add some water, and I will let Hunter, my brother, add some water. Very comfortable portion here. Or right here. And now let's put some this one in. We need to put a little bit, not too much. Too much it won't taste good. And if you want to drink some, you can try to eat the lemon. I'll try. It's okay. That's better. Thank you for watching Suzanna's HowTo. And thank you for my Hunter to come with me. My brother have no idea if Hunter can't have on my video sometimes. Only one time. This time and the last time I remembered. Don't drink anymore. Please subscribe to our video.